bottle full. So hey guys, this is the new Gixxer 250 SF. So there are the two variants in this. One is the silver color and the other one is the matte black color. Doing the mileage test for this bike, and we'll be doing a short review for this bike. First of all, we'll be seeing about the engine. This engine is powered by 249cc single cylinder 4 valve oil cooled and fuel injection engine, and the braking is like from Byre dual channel ABS system from biking, and the rims are decently well. It looks so perfect in this, and there are like LED. We'll see the LED. So this is the permanent LED which works, and this is the high beam light, and they have given like a fuel injection system sticker on this bike, and the windshield is really very low, and it will be a disappointing if there is a more number of wind blasters in this bike. Okay, in the instrumental cluster we'll be seeing like it indicates a gear shift and the time and the fuel indicator and the speed. Okay, now we'll be seeing the exhaust note of this bike, how it sounds, and putting it to neutral. Okay, it's in neutral now. So we'll be seeing the exhaust note of this bike now. We'll be seeing the exhaust note. Okay, now we'll be seeing the exhaust note of this bike. Okay, we'll see the tail lamp. LED tail light is designed really well. Okay, this bike is weights around like 161 kg, and the lower base is like 165 mm. You can see the telescopic forks, which is the 41 mm telescopic forks in this budget bike. We will get a 250cc budget bike, and the seats are like really comfortable, like cushion seats, and it's very comfortable also. And yeah, now we'll be riding this bike and we'll be doing the mileage test and the test review. So we'll be doing the mileage test for this bike. So we'll be filling this bottle full of petrol in this. So we have filled the entire bottle of petrol in this. Okay, now we'll be doing the mileage test for this bike. Now we have completely filled the 1 liter of petrol in this. Wow, this bike smooths so greatly, man, and the engine is redefined purely well. The 250cc engine. This bike is powered by like 26.5 HP at 9000 RPM and produces around like 22.6 Nm at 7500 RPM. And the brakes are like dual channel ABS, powered by Byre. Okay, we can see how it performs in the city as well. You can see the brakes are really powerful in the city as well. The brakes are so powerful. The dual channel ABS works perfectly in this. And the other thing is they are given the windshield very short in this. Maybe there will be a wind blast. If there is more number of wind blasts, it cannot support. They should have been increased the at least they should have been increased the windshield more, so that it provides more comfortable from the wind blast. And it looks so small in this while seeing in this angle. And yeah, the power is really nice in that. Okay, now we'll be checking the initial acceleration. And the braking works really fine in this, man. Straight. Okay, now we'll be doing the acceleration test for this bike. well, you can see. And that's all for the review today, and we'll be doing a long ride review soon when it comes to our time.